Darren, you've had a long-standing relationship with Technogroup. We're here at their rugby facility. I see that there's a lot of investment here on turning and also coming milling and automation. But tell us a little bit about the journey and relationship that you've had with them.
I suppose it all started 8 or 9 years ago. We first met Adam when he was in his previous life at MTC. They did some long coolant trials there that we actually were chosen as their supplier. 8 years on, Adam turns up at Technogroup and all of a sudden he wants us to get involved in some more coolant trials that they're doing. That went quite well, we were quite successful in that. So from then the relationship just flourished.
And when you look at the portfolio of products that you have at Jemtech now, it's not just lubricants, is it? Because you've got clean mist here as well, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got clean mist. They also use Oracle fluid management from ourselves. I think for us it's changed a lot in the last 5 years. We were just seen as Blaser UK, which everybody knows is a premium product, but also comes at a cost. We can justify that cost, we believe, if we do some tests, but we wanted people to realise that we also do mist extraction, we also do industrial vacuum cleaners, we do Oracle fluid management systems, and there are several different levels of that support that we can offer.
I can see there's a big investment on turning with some fantastic brands of machines here, but also the milling side and obviously the assembly side. But these guys, you know, are really looking for a full solution, and that's what Jemtech actually offers, isn't it?
Yeah, what we have to do is build up a confidence and a trust that we can supply the products that they need, and also that we're going to be honest with them and truthful with them.
And when you look at Blaser now, I've been to the factory over in Switzerland, very privileged, but you know, it is a very premium brand. But is it the long-term savings that actually helps Technogroup?
Yes, I mean, what we look for a certain type of company and a certain type of mentality. We need people that look at their fluid as not just that it's white and wet and it's all the same. We need them to see it as a tool. If we know that the customer sees it as a tool, then we think we can justify turning to Blaser.
I suppose the benefit of having a portfolio of different solutions, the clean mist products here, obviously I see them on most of the machines. The environment is very good here, isn't it?
Yeah, I think credit to the guys at Technogroup, really. They do put the environment for their workforce at the top. It's very important to them.
And when you're looking at Oracle as well, you know, when you've got a premium brand like Blaser, obviously what Oracle is doing, actually maximising the life of that lubricant, isn't it?
Yeah, again, it's a philosophy. You have to realise that it's no good. You can buy fabulous machinery, you can buy fabulous cutting tools, and yes, you've got a premium product in Blaser. However, if you're not going to look after it and keep it working at the correct concentrations, you have to question why you'd pay for a premium product if you're not going to look after it.
And over the years I've known Jemtech, but you've got the state-of-the-art facility in the south of England now, but also there's a new product in the portfolio, isn't there?
Yeah, we've got a full range of industrial vacuum cleaners. If I'm being honest, we stumbled across it. It was something that we started, our service team that we have, started using it, and they came back with some really positive results about what they were seeing. So it's something we approached them, and yeah, now it's a product that we sell in the UK.
And I suppose within the platform and portfolio of what you have, it sort of fits in quite nicely, doesn't it?
Well, historically, we've always been asked questions. Anything around coolant, a customer has asked us, do you do this? Can you supply that? So we've become aware that industrial vacuum cleaners, although it's not something people buy very often, periodically people need an industrial vacuum cleaner. So yeah, it fits a nice little hole for us.
Darren, this is a great case study here at Technogroup, great collaboration between Jemtech, but for many years Jemtech's been known for selling Blaser, but you've got so much more to offer now.
Yes, we think we've got quite a large portfolio now. Our mist extraction has been very successful. We offer industrial vacuum cleaners, fluid management, and what I say to people is that you don't think about us as just a premium coolant product. We can offer solutions for most things you're looking at. All we ask is really you give us an opportunity.